Hey guys, it's Tiffany and I just finished filming this fire makeup look for you, so if you're interested, keep watching. So the first thing I'll be doing on my eyebrows, and I use an Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. Concealer I'll be using for my brows is the Ariel Pro Concealer in Fawn and in Creamy Beige. When I do my eyebrows, I use Fawn at the bottom and then I'll use Creamy Beige at the top. Now to blend my concealer out, I'll be taking my Morphe G2 brush. I'll be taking the NYX Single Shadow in Butterscotch Caramel and applying that to my crease using a blending brush. This eyeshadow is a bit chalky, but I was still able to pack it on and get the job done. Next, I'll be taking the NYX Vivid Brights in Bad Blood and applying that to my crease. This eyeshadow is so thick, so I ended up using my finger to spread it out onto my lid. Then I'll be taking the color Hunt from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and blending that into my crease using a Morphe blending brush. I'm going to continue to blend all these colors out and packing them on until I get the pigmentation that I desire. Next, I'll be taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Spicy Brown and placing that onto my face using a flat top foundation brush. For some reason, my camera cut off the eyelash part, but I have on the Ardell 230s. To highlight, I'll be taking the Ariel Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige and I'll be placing that under my eyes and across my nose. I'll be blending that out using the Morphe G2 brush. To set my concealer, I'll be using the Airspun powder. I have a more detailed foundation routine here on my channel, so if you are interested, I'll leave that below. contour, I'll be using this MAC blush in the color Blunt. I'll be using a small detailed brush to place some of the same orange shade from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette onto my lower lash line. Now I'm applying a Clinique blush in the color Sunset Glow to my cheeks. The highlight being used is the color Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty.
I like my jacket. Yeah, it's nice.
The lip liner I'm using I actually got from a local beauty supply store. The brand is called MK and the color is in brown. The liquid lipstick I'm using I got from the same local beauty supply store. It's like a knockoff Kylie Jenner lipstick. I'll be topping that off with the NARS lip gloss in Orgasm. So that is all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.